Hello, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And this is part 2 of the Bothy unboxings. So, as you recall from last time, I had ordered multiple items over several months from Bothy Bothy Threads. And because of all of the problems with shipping from Europe, things got held up for several months. And then all of a sudden, everything showed up all at once. And I went to the post office and I had bags and bags and bags of stuff that had been ordered over the several months. So we're on the last 2 packages, and there's quite a bit in both of these packages. So let's see what we have. Oh, there's a lot in that one. We'll start with the bigger one first because there's only a few things. This is a needlepoint kit, a tapestry needlepoint. They considered needlepoint and tapestry the same thing. I think needlepoint is a style of tapestry. So you use yarn rather than the threads you've been seeing me use for these cross-stitch projects. So this is called Rockin' Robin. And it's a pillow. It's going to make a pillow when it's done. So it's Rockin' Robin tapestry pillow. When it is done, it is going to be 23 inches wide by 11 inches tall. And I was thinking of setting it right up here. That's what I was thinking of when I bought this. But how cute is that? All the little robins on right there on their perch. And they also include one of those cards, the chart cards, with a lot of the yarn already on it. It looks like maybe this is just extra yarn. So and again, just like the other pillow pattern we have, it does not come with the pillow form backing, but either I'll figure out how to do that or I'll purchase a kit for that. So there's our Rockin' Robin tapestry and ads. I think I actually did order this from Herrschners. They were probably having a sale too. Okay, and here's another tapestry. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It is a pillow. It's another pillow tapestry. All of a sudden, I'm into these pillow tapestries, but I love this with the trees and the birds and everything. Yeah, really, really like that a lot. It's just called Forest, and I like that. That's going to be easy to do. And again, no backing. Now, the last time I did one of these, it was a lavender field, and I just folded it over and made it into a wall hanging, and that worked really well. I like that a lot. Okay, so that's those two pillows. Get a lot of garbage out of all of this. Okay, now let's see what we have here. A lot of ads. Lot of ads. So I think this might be, nope, this is also from Bothy. Okay, so you know how much I like the Bothy threads. Oh, I love this. Okay. One of my favorite designers from Bothy. Last time we talked about the shoes from, oh, what was her name? Sally King. This time it's Lucy Pittaway. And if you remember, we had the adorable sheep in the sweater tapestry on the last one. She does a lot of designs with the sheeps. So here we have the sheep shopping for sweaters. Isn't that adorable? Absolutely adorable. And I think they saw that other sheep wearing his little sweater. Okay, and then this one is on 24 count. And again, it's going to have the fabric, the threads, the diagram, the needle, and the instructions. So I'm not going to open this up because I don't want it to all get lost. But there's that design. And I just fell in love with this one. The sheepies watching the Aurora Borealis. Super, super cute. And, you know, this says they're in the Netherlands. Could explain why it takes so long to get these things. Beautiful. And she's got a whole line of these two sheep out in the fields, out in the meadows, in the trees, by the lake, just wandering around doing all the sheepy things. And sometimes they've got little baby sheeps with them. But I just love that with the Aurora Borealis. After all my trips to Alaska recently. And then this one is called Knit and Natter. And the artist is Wendy Brown. And again, I like a lot of her stuff too. So it's a bunch of ladies hanging around, working on their crafts with their puppies. And there's a kitty, and she's showing off her knitting. So yeah, that's another really fun one. Oh, there's a couple of kitties. There's a puppy and two kitties. And oh, look at this. There's a picture of sheep up on the wall. So cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. This one is, oh, I wonder, it doesn't say. I was just wondering if, probably not though. See all those little bitty flowers up there? I'm just wondering if those are pre-printed on the fabric or if that's going to be stitching. There's a lot of stitching on this one. A lot of stitching. It could be pre-printed on there. Should we look? Dare we open this and look? I say we dare. I say we dare. I don't want to mess up the box though. It says open with care. Okay. We are opening with care. We are opening with care. And all we're going to do is look and see if that pattern, if that fabric, it's not, it is not. So we're going to be putting in, yeah, it's just plain white Aida cloth. So we're going to be putting in all those little flowers. Okay, this is going to be a project. This is going to be a project. Okay, I like these a lot. Tell me which you think is your favorite. Do you like this one the best? The sheep shopping for the sweaters. Do you like this one the best? The Aurora Borealis? Or do you like this one the best? The ladies hanging out, working on their crafts. Let me know what you think. Which ones you like the best. And that's it for the unboxings. There's a possibility of one more order coming in. Not sure. If it does, we'll talk about that later. Okay, that is it for now. We will see you next week with working on projects. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.